How to send Snap without uploading any media on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Now, go to the camera screen, which opens by default. Here's the trick. Instead of taking a photo or video, simply cover your camera lens with your finger or point it at a plain surface like a wall. Now tap the capture button to take a blank or plain snap. Next, tap on the text icon and type anything you want, like a message or caption. You can also add stickers, Bitmoji, drawings. Once you're done, tap on Send To. Select the friend or story where you want to send it. And that's it. You've successfully sent a snap without uploading any media from your gallery. Quick tip, Snapchat doesn't allow sending completely empty snaps, so using a blank photo is the easiest workaround. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Rock it!